Guess what, y'all? I am in house buying mode. I am that client that realtors hate right now. All right, so y'all, let's jump into this video. This is going to be house number 1, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about house number 1. Now, I am going to name this house number 1 Too Big, because honestly, I felt it was so beautiful, but it was way too big for me. All right, so this is house number 1. And this, of course, is the model home. So as you walk in, this is so nice. You have your entryway, which is huge and amazing. It's so beautiful. Okay, you first walk in. Oh, that is beautiful. That's beautiful. Then you have your coat closet. So you could just make this really just a center. You don't even have to make it a mud room because you got your coat closet right here. Or you can make it a mud room. It's up to you. But that is so huge. Oh my gosh, I am in love, y'all. This is so beautiful. Look at this dining room, and it's so open. The living room is everything. Look at these high ceilings. Then you turn this way, you have a small little area to eat, and then you have an amazing kitchen. Like, look how big this kitchen is. Like, oh my gosh. The pantry is huge, but it's not it's not as big as I thought it would be. So yeah, but I'm loving this kitchen. I don't like how the drawers are not that steep, but I always wanted a window over my sink. I love that. I so love that. Okay, so let's walk over here and see what's down here. I love how huge. Oh, this is a mud room. This is the mud room. Wow. So it comes with a mud room. And clearly, this is the garage. So you come in from the garage to the mud room to the kitchen. Oh, beautiful. And y'all, I'm gonna make this really quick because I don't have that much time in here. Didn't see what was in this door, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's a big storage closet. That's amazing. I love that. I love how huge it is. All right, let's go on up these steps. I don't like the aesthetic right here because it's not as grand. However, it is beautiful, but it's not as grand. So let's go into bedroom number 1. I actually seen this on Zillow. And I want to say this has a Jack and Jill bathroom. But yeah, this is just one of the bedrooms.
me, it'd probably be a guest bedroom. It's very spacious. Yes, this is a Jack and Jill. So you got your bathroom in the middle. Got one bedroom. That door is not. Yeah. Well, it's not really a Jack and Jill because it comes out and it really doesn't attach, so it wouldn't be a Jack and Jill. But this is cute. This is cute. So, I mean, I guess that would be good that it's not attached, because the only problem I see with Jack and Jill's are that if somebody else is using the bathroom while you're using the bathroom, the laundry room is upstairs. It's cute, but back to what I was saying, if someone else was using the bathroom while you were using the bathroom, it'll be, you know, kind of uncomfortable. But they have like a TV room upstairs, which I love, because then I won't have to use or put a TV downstairs and everybody can come upstairs to watch TV. So like have like a little family room. All right, let's find the master, which I don't like where the master is positioned. However, it is gorgeous. I don't like that it doesn't have like a separate little room, but baby, I can do with this. Like, I love how you can put chairs over here, and oh my gosh, look at this. So pretty. Whoever decorated this did a bomb job. Oh, we gotta look at the ceilings. Just beautiful. Now let's go into this bathroom. Oh my gosh, this closet is 10 times better than what it looks like on the site. It is awesome. Like, it's really, really awesome. Then there's me. You got 2 sets. Wow, I just was helping my friend with her decor and I chose something like this but with flowers in it. That's funny. Then you have your own toilet room, and of course a big amazing shower, and my favorite part of the bathroom, the bathtub. Like, y'all know I have to have a bathtub. I have to. Like, it is a must. It is a must. So let's go back down these steps. Yeah, I don't like how dark this is. See? Yeah, I don't like how, I guess there is a light there, but it's very dark. It's very dark. And y'all, I'm sorry for the keys, but yeah. Oh, I want to go out the back and see what the backyard looks like. And I did notice that they have 2 different types of backyards. And one is a covered backyard. It's a covered porch, which I kind of like that one better. Let me see if I can get this open. Yeah, I like the covered better. If you can see, the other models have the decks, but I really like the covered porches a little bit better, because I was thinking about like how much it would cost to get the deck, and it just would be a little bit more expensive. Expensive just to have the deck and all that other stuff. But yeah, cute. Let me lock their stuff down. But beautiful. Oh, I love how high the ceilings are. I love this. And it's right in my area, y'all. So this is house number 1.
All right, you reached the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below your thoughts on this house. So until next time, until house number 2, I just want to thank you all for tuning in. So again, love.